Hey folks, David Frost. Got a quick trade coming up, 22.76 on Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. All right, so I'm in the trade. We're long HPE 22.76, looking for a quick bounce. I'm looking for this stock to get back over 23. It's pretty wild here. Here it comes already. Look at that. That's a nice quick bounce in the money real fast, almost there. I'm taking half off the table at 23.01 is my sell price. And then I'm going to hold the other half and see what happens if we can squeeze a little more out of it. Almost. Okay, I'm done. All right, so I've got half the trade in my pocket. Now I've got a break-even stop over here. Just bear with me a second. Okay, I've got a break-even stop at 22.79. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain what this trade was. First of all, it happened really quick. I got the video started really fast as the trade was coming into the level. Let's take just a step back here and talk about what it is. This is a morning gap trade. This is the day after Thanksgiving. It's Friday morning. There's not a lot of stocks moving here, but we did have a couple of potentials, and I did send this one out to members this morning, 22.76 as a buy level for HPE. And this was basically gapping down, not too much at the open, 2.5% at the open, which is okay. It's not one of our ideal gap trades, but, it was gapping down, and I found a good level where the stock was likely to have the proverbial price reaction in the other direction. So why not take the trade if the trade setup is there? We only take trades when the trade setup is in our favor, when price is coming into our level that we're willing to buy or sell short a stock at. And speaking of sell short, we had another possible one, excuse me, on C-Trip this morning. C-Trip missed its level by a few pennies. I'm going to go over and show you that one in a second. I just want to watch this a little bit longer. What happened with C-Trip was the stock was gapping higher by like 10% or something, and it pulled back just a few pennies right short of our level, and I'm going to show it to you in a second. But it shows you the power of the levels. Even on a day after Thanksgiving, we still had two possible trades. One already worked out. It's in the books as a winner, and the other one just missed. Let's go take a look at C-Trip real quick. Let me get over there. I hate to leave this chart, but it'll be all right. Let's go over... Let me find C-Trip over here. Here we go. Okay, so let me go to the longer time frame, and you can see where the line is at 45.95, and look where the stock went to, 45.87, missing by 8 cents. And let's go down to the shorter time frame, and look what happened. It went all the way immediately down to $45. Let me move this over. It went to $45 just a couple of minutes later. Okay. So that was would have been a tremendous gain. Let's go back over and see what's going on here with Hewlett-Packard. All right, so Hewlett-Packard, what I'm going to do here, I'm not going to keep the video going. What I'm going to tell you is my target is I really like to get it up to about 23.15. I should have taken it before, but I didn't. So I'm going to go up to 23.15, and I'm going to take the rest off the table, or I'll trail the stop. Nah, I'll probably just take it off at 23.15. That's going to be the play. So I'm going to end the video, but this is indicative of the morning gap trades, folks. I teach you how to do this in my course at lazygaptrader.com. I know I didn't talk a lot about that during this video because it happened so quick. This trade happened so quick, and it's very difficult to concentrate on a trade, figure out what you want to say on the video, and and hopefully give some kind of a teachable lesson in the middle. So basically, the gap trades are stocks gapping higher or lower at the open. We're able to find those areas where price or the stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction, and that's what we saw here with Hewlett-Packard, and we saw it just come up short with C-Trip. And I'm going to wrap this video up. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Come check out the course at lazygaptrader.com. I'm David Frost.